Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to stay healthy as you age. We'll cover everything from exercise and diet to mental health and the importance of social connections. It's never too early or too late to start making choices that benefit your health. Let's get started. As we age, it's easy to fall into a more sedentary lifestyle. But trust me, staying active is crucial. Regular exercise helps maintain muscle mass, strengthens bones, improves cardiovascular health, and boosts your mood. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity each week. And don't forget about strength training. Incorporate exercises that work all major muscle groups at least twice a week. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, I'm not trying to become a bodybuilder. Listen, you don't have to be. Start slow, find activities you enjoy, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Remember, consistency is key. Even small amounts of exercise each day can make a big difference. Find a workout buddy to help keep you motivated, or explore different fitness classes to keep things interesting. The most important thing is to find what works for you and stick with it. Your body will thank you. You are what you eat, right? Well, there's a lot of truth to that. A balanced diet is the foundation of good health at any age, but it becomes even more critical as we get older. Focus on consuming plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These often lack nutritional value and contribute to inflammation and various health problems. Think of your plate like this. Half of it should be filled with colorful fruits and vegetables, a quarter with lean protein like fish or chicken, and the remaining quarter with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Regular medical checkups are like tune-ups for your car. You might not think you need them, but they can catch small problems before they become big ones. Schedule appointments with your primary care physician, dentist, and eye doctor at least once a year, or more frequently as recommended. These visits allow healthcare professionals to monitor your health, identify any potential issues, and provide personalized advice. Early detection is crucial for managing and treating health conditions effectively. Don't skip these appointments. They're an investment in your long-term health and well-being. Remember, knowledge is power. Use these appointments to ask your doctor any questions you have about your health, discuss any concerns, and stay informed about recommended screenings and vaccinations. Be proactive about your health. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Maintaining good mental health is just as important as physical health, especially as we age. Our minds and bodies are interconnected, and neglecting one can impact the other. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, such as puzzles, crosswords, or learning a new skill. These activities help keep your mind sharp and can even reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Make time for hobbies and activities you enjoy. Whether it's reading, gardening, painting, or spending time in nature, these activities can reduce stress, boost mood, and enhance overall well-being. Don't be afraid to seek professional help if you're struggling with your mental health. Therapists and counselors can provide support, guidance, and coping mechanisms for dealing with life's challenges. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help. Taking care of your mental health is a sign of strength, not weakness. Humans are social creatures by nature. We thrive on connections with others. As we age, maintaining strong social connections becomes even more important for our overall well-being. Make an effort to stay connected with friends and family. Regular phone calls, video chats, or in-person visits can make a world of difference. Join social groups, clubs, or volunteer organizations. These provide opportunities to meet new people who share similar interests, engage in meaningful activities, and combat loneliness. Don't underestimate the power of a simple conversation. Strike up conversations with people you encounter in your daily life, whether it's at the grocery store, the park, or a local coffee shop. Remember, social connections are essential for our emotional, mental, and even physical health. Nurture those relationships and build new ones. Getting enough sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. During sleep, our bodies and minds can rest, repair, and rejuvenate. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. This may vary slightly from person to person, but consistently getting less than 7 hours can have negative consequences for our health. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed. If you have trouble sleeping, talk to your doctor. There are effective treatments for sleep disorders, and addressing any underlying medical conditions can improve sleep quality. Water is essential for life. It makes up a significant portion of our bodies and plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. The exact amount varies depending on factors like activity level and climate, but aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated. You can even set reminders on your phone to drink water regularly. Listen to your body. Thirst is a sign that you're already dehydrated, so drink water before you feel thirsty. If you're not a fan of plain water, try adding slices of fruit, cucumber, or herbs for a refreshing twist. You can also opt for herbal teas or low-sugar sports drinks when needed. It's no secret that smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and other harmful habits are detrimental to our health. These habits can lead to a wide range of health problems, including cancer, heart disease, and lung disease. If you smoke, quit. It's never too late to reap the benefits of quitting. Talk to your doctor about resources and support available to help you quit for good. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. For healthy adults, that means up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. Be mindful of other habits that can impact your health, such as excessive caffeine intake, drug use, and unhealthy eating patterns. Making healthy choices isn't always easy, but it's always worth it. Your body will thank you in the long run. Stress is a normal part of life, but chronic stress can take a toll on our physical and mental health. It's essential to find healthy ways to manage stress and promote relaxation. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine. This could include meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Find hobbies and activities that bring you joy and help you unwind. Whether it's reading, listening to music, gardening, or spending time with loved ones, make time for things you enjoy. Don't be afraid to seek professional help if you're struggling to manage stress. Therapists and counselors can teach you coping mechanisms and strategies for dealing with stress effectively. Remember, stress management is an ongoing process. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you and make self-care a priority. Learning shouldn't stop after we finish school. Engaging in lifelong learning keeps our minds sharp, stimulates cognitive function, and enhances our overall well-being. Challenge yourself to learn something new regularly. This could be anything from a new language or musical instrument to a new hobby or skill. Take classes, attend workshops, or join book clubs. These provide opportunities to expand your knowledge, engage in discussions, and connect with others who share similar interests. Embrace technology. Online learning platforms offer a wealth of courses and resources on virtually any subject imaginable. Remember, learning keeps our minds active and engaged, which is essential for maintaining cognitive function as we age. Never stop exploring, discovering, and expanding your horizons. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Remember, taking care of your health is a lifelong journey, and it's never too late to make positive changes. Stay healthy and see you next time.